friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be doing an unboxing and first impression of the new Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So Samsung Galaxy M52 5G is the latest M series smartphone announced, and this is the sleekest M series smartphone and also the most powerful M series smartphone ever made. And this is just 7.4 mm in thickness and just 173 grams in weight. And this is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G octa-core processor, which is a 6nm process. And it also comes with a 6.7 inches full HD plus resolution display. It's an AMOLED display, and this has 120 Hz refresh rate as well. So Samsung has packed the best hardware you can get on an M series smartphone in terms of processor, in terms of looks, in terms of display, and you get a large 5000 mAh capacity battery and up to 25 watt fast charging support is included. And you also get a 64 megapixel triple camera setup. So it's a very good loaded smartphone, and the pricing is 29,999 for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and the 8GB RAM retails for 31,999. But as a part of the festive season, this is offered at a really great pricing of 23,499 for the 6GB RAM and 25,499 for the 8GB RAM. This includes coupons and cashback offers. So this is available on Amazon. So do check out the link in the description of this video to get all the details about the offers. And this is a limited time offer, so just if you want to get this device, get it as soon as possible because the offers will be limited time. So that's the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So let's get started with unboxing. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So let's get started with unboxing. So this is the box package. You can see Samsung Galaxy M52 5G mentioned, and nothing else mentioned in the box. So let's just quickly go to the device. So opening up, you can see the top the device itself, the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. Let's just take this out, and then you get the USB Type-C charging and data syncing cable, and you also get an adapter. This is a 15 watt adapter, the travel adapter, but this device supports 25 watt charging as well. You also get a SIM ejector pin and the manual and warranty information. So that's all. Now let's go and see the device. So that's the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and you can see this is very slim device, just 7.4 mm in thickness, and it looks definitely sleekest M series smartphone ever made. And this is also really powerful. You get in terms of design, you get a pattern on the back panel, a lined pattern is there. You get the triple camera setup. It's a 64 megapixel triple camera setup. You also get an ultra wide and a macro sensor. LED flash is included. You get the side mounted fingerprint scanner. This also acts as the power button, the volume rocker keys, the SIM tray, and at the bottom you get the USB Type-C port and the speaker unit, and on the top you don't get any ports or opening, and at the front panel you get the Infinity O punch hole selfie camera. That's the device. You can see it definitely looks really good in terms of in-hand feel, and this is just 173 grams in weight, and that really shows it's very lightweight and slim, and even with a 5000 mAh capacity battery, Samsung has managed to make it really slim and sleek. Now let's boot the device, and I will show you the display and other options and also the software experience. So let's just get started with the booting. So you can see here this is having the Knox security, one of the really good security systems for smartphones, this Knox security by Knox. So that is included. So this also comes with the One UI 3.1. So let's have a look at that. So this is the device. You can see 6.7 inches AMOLED full HD plus resolution display, and the display definitely looks gorgeous. It has vivid colors, great touch response, and even very smooth in terms of experience. So let's just go to the settings one time. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate. So just going to the display, so you can see here vivid screen mode is there. Vivid and natural screen modes are also included, and you get all the options here. Then motion smoothness, this is the high option. This is the 120 Hz refresh rate we are talking about, and standard is 60 Hz is included. So the display definitely feels very smooth, and the refresh rate makes it even more better. So it's an AMOLED display, AMOLED display, Samsung's AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, and looks really good in terms of viewing angles, excellent colors, and the touch response, and also the responsiveness is really good. Now talking about the software experience, so let's just once again go to the settings. So you can see here this is the Samsung's UI. So this let's just go to the software information. So One UI 3.1, and this is the full version of One UI. Android 11 is included. Knox security is also included. Now if you look at the options, some really interesting options are there. You can see that there is link to Windows included, wherein you can connect the device to the laptop. Then all the other features are there. Eye comfort mode, Samsung's additional software options included. So here if you go, here you can see the advanced features. Then link to Windows is what we are talking about. The motions and gestures 100 mode, video call effects, game launcher, dual messenger, panic mode. So all these features are included in the UI. So it's a full-fledged UI with a lot of additional options. You get the edge panels, EC mode is there. So it is a full-fledged UI in terms of experience, and the experience is really good. So that's a software experience of the One UI 3.1 on the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So the response rate is very good, and there is no lags whatsoever in our initial usage. It feels really snappy, especially with the Snapdragon 778G octa-core processor. And this supports 5G, and 11 bands are supported, which is again really good, which Samsung has done. So this is something which really good, because you get almost all the bands covered with the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So this device also comes with Samsung Pay feature. That's one of the really important aspects, because this device supports NFC. So you have the Samsung Pay feature as well. So you can install this and add your payments and use this to make payments without using your card. So Samsung Pay is available on this device as well. That's another interesting feature to have on a M series smartphone. Now let's talk about the camera. So we have a triple camera setup. It's a 64 megapixel primary sensor. You get a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and you also get a macro sensor. So the camera UI looks really good. You have all the features, ultra wide, and in terms of video recording, you can see that you can go up to 4K at 30 fps, and even for front camera you get the 4K 30 fps of option, which is very rare actually. This is something which Samsung has done really well. And you also get the super steady mode included. Photography, other options include night mode, then pro mode is there, food, portrait, super slow motion is also included. So it's a well equipped camera in terms of software features. You also get the macro mode included. Let's have a look at some of the camera samples we have taken with this device. So in our initial impression, we found the camera to be really capable. So a 64 megapixel shooter can take some really good images. The colors are vibrant, there is plenty of brightness, the details are good, the sharpness levels are impressive, and even the ultra wide angle camera, that's a 12 megapixel ultra wide, does a really impressive job, because in this price segment most of the devices don't have performing ultra wide, but Samsung has nailed it with a 12 megapixel ultra wide, which definitely looks good. So we'll be talking about the camera in depth later when we reviewed the device. So these are the first impressions, and overall the camera definitely feels good. So stay tuned for more videos on the camera aspect. Now this device comes with a 5000 mAh capacity battery, and it should be a really good battery, especially with the 778G. It should be really battery efficient, and the 5000 mAh should get you more than a day of battery life. And this also supports fast charging in the form of 25 watt. So if you have a 25 watt charger, you can get really good speeds in terms of charging as well. So that was the hands-on and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So overall we are pretty impressed with what Samsung has offered in this, and you get a really good all-round package. And as I said before, the pricing of the device is 29,999 for the 6GB RAM, and 8GB RAM retails for 31,999. And as part of festive sale on Amazon Great Indian Festival, you get this device for 23,499 with cashback and other offers, and you can get it from Amazon. So we'll share the link in the description of this video. You can get to Amazon and buy this if you plan this. This is a really good offer, and the 8GB RAM retails for 25,499 during the sale. So this is a very limited time offer, so just head over to Amazon and buy this device. It's a very good package overall from Samsung, and this is the best M series device we have tested till date. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off with the unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.